The 01R clamp is used for clamping dimple and laser keys. The 01J and 02J jaw combination is shipped and preloaded into the 01R clamp. This combination of jaws cuts the vast majority of keys in the marketplace. Dimple and laser track keys are gauged using either the shoulder or the tip of the key. To gauge a shoulder stop key, slide the key into the clamp until the shoulder is against the edge of the jaw surface. Stop position 0. The tip stop positions are 1 through 3, with 1 being in the slot closest to the operator. When placing a key into the clamp, place the tip stop gauge in the proper tip position and fit the key into the seat between the two jaws. Ensure the key is resting firmly on the clamp plate at the required stop position. Tighten the knob to secure the key in place. Always remove the tip stop bar prior to cutting or decoding a key. Some 2-track keys will require a different jaw combination. The 19J jaw, in combination with the 02J jaw, clamps 2 track keys for Ford, VW Audi, Volvo, and Porsche. The optional 04J jaw, used in combination with the 01J jaw, clamps 2 track keys for BMW and Mercedes. Notice that the 19J jaw has an additional tip stop position, which is marked with a red F. This is the tip stop position used for the 7-cut Ford key. This key is much shorter than most laser keys, and this jaw position eliminates the need for adapters. To load the 19J jaw into position, loosen the clamp, place your finger behind the 01J jaw, and pull it towards the front of the machine. Load the 19J jaw into position and slide it back until it snaps into place. The 19J, 04J, and any other optional jaws must be calibrated to the Futura machine prior to use. The calibration process will be covered in Clamp Calibration Dimple Laser Keys. When cutting the 7-cut Ford key, notice there is no corresponding F tip stop position on the 02J jaw. To properly tip stop this key, turn the tip stop bar on its edge. Place it into the F tip stop position on the 19J jaw and slide the key into the clamp until it reaches the tip stop bar. Always remove the tip stop bar prior to cutting or decoding a key.